can give me. All that I need is a simple life. I don't need no problems. No, I just...
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of cleaning. As I said in my previous cleaning video, I was out of town for over a week and my house kind of needed a little bit of mama's attention once I got home. So I have been tackling this space by space for this entire week. Today I'm just going to start by doing my normal everyday cleaning routine of my main space, and then we are going to move upstairs and tackle the huge mess that it is.
All I want is someone to rely on. All that I need is an honest friend. I don't need no trouble. Come and take me by the hand. Without you.
So like I said, I am starting with my normal everyday morning cleaning routine. I do have a full video that documents everything that I do in the morning to reset my house. I will link that in the description box below and I will put it in the cards as well. But this generally includes my kitchen, some laundry, and my main bathroom. Once I get that reset, I usually feel like I can go ahead and tackle whatever else I need to tackle that day. But if these things are not done, I just feel so disorganized. Is anyone else like that? Let me know in the comments below if you have a normal morning cleaning routine as well.
You are what my heart desires, more than I could ever know. You're the reason why I'm trying.
So for my everyday cleaner, I love Young Living Thieves. I have raved about this product multiple times on my channel, but honestly, this is my go-to everyday cleaner. And honestly, I love that it is so cost efficient as well. I usually buy maybe one bottle every 6 months, and that lasts me the entire time. All you need for this product is just a capful mixed with an entire spray bottle of water, and it cleans very effectively and it has an amazing smell. It also has some germ-killing properties, which is a great go-to. I am also utilizing a lot of my Norwex cloths. I love Norwex. I do like to use it in combination with my thieves oil just because I need a smell to feel like I'm actually cleaning, but there's nothing like a good Norwex Enviro cloth. If you don't have any, you need some, as well as their dish net. Those are awesome also. Now, I will go ahead and preface and say I am not a full-out natural cleaner. I do use Clorox, I do use Lysol, especially when there's sickness going around. But generally, for my everyday cleaner, I will go the more natural route. But with all that being said, now we're going to tackle some of this laundry because, y'all, I am still knee-deep in laundry, and I have been cleaning all week, and it's still not done.
Stuck in your scene, not what you need. Part of your routine, fall to the leaves. And you come right back like a burst to the trees.
So if you are new to my channel, I wanted to take a moment and introduce myself to you. My name is Sarah, and I am a mommy to 5 children. My oldest is 10 and my youngest is 1, and right now we are tackling the upstairs space of my home. The upstairs area has 4 bedrooms, and each of my 3 little boys have their own rooms up here, which is great because honestly, we have bunked my 2 middle boys together before and it was terrible. So I really enjoy them each having their own space. When we were originally house hunting, we didn't think that that would be an option, but we lucked into this home. This home was actually built years and years ago by a family that had 5 kids, and I swear it's like it was made for us. This house has 7 bedrooms, which is kind of absurd, but it's amazing because none of my kids have to share a room. They each have their own space, and I really enjoy that. But right now we are in the nursery, like I said. I really needed to just tackle bedding up here, vacuuming. I needed to clean the bathroom. I needed to put clothes away. This space kind of gets neglected because I'm not up here a lot. We're usually downstairs in the main living area or in the basement. But today the goal was to go ahead and knock all of these rooms out and get my landing area cleaned. This particular room I do have a full video about. We did a nursery makeover months ago, and I'm going to link that video in the description box below if you are interested in any of it.
When you're lonely, when you're lonely, don't say you love when you're lonely. Don't say you love when you're lonely. Don't say you love when you're lonely. When you're lonely, don't say you love when you're lonely. Don't say you love when you're lonely. True, I know that it's something I can't control. Move, caught inside a cycle without a hope. I'm getting too tired of trying.
So like I said, today is bedding day, so I'm just going to go ahead and strip all of these beds, and then I just throw the sheets over the landing. That way when I go downstairs, I can grab them, move them to the laundry room, and get the laundry started. But I wanted to go ahead and share a quick little mom hack with you guys. We are currently in my 5-year-old's room, and you may notice that I just stripped a flat sheet off of his bed, and now I'm putting a fitted sheet on. And that is because I never use the flat sheet and fitted sheet in combination with my young children. And honestly, that is to save my mom's sanity and to help with laundry. So what I do is I just keep one or the other clean and put in their closet. That way, if they have an accident or if I need to change over the bedding, etc., there is another sheet to use. This has saved me so much sanity because honestly, my kids don't really care if they have a top flat sheet anyways, and neither do I. So I just keep one clean sheet at all times in their closet, and I don't have to purchase more sheet sets at this point. One sheet set per child is doing perfectly, and it's just a little mom hack that I wanted to share.
I need a real connection.
Now I want you guys to go ahead and take a moment and appreciate this tree. This tree has all of our sentimental ornaments, and this year we put it in my 5-year-old's room because he really wanted a big tree in his room. But I let the kids go to town decorating this. They clustered the ornaments together. Mama didn't touch it. There's no pretty ribbon. It was all their own doing, and it just makes me laugh and smile at the same time, like seeing how they decorated it and just knowing that they had so much fun doing it.
Need a real connection, more than butterflies and honeymoons. Not my imagination. I've been waiting for the love that's true.
And yes, I am putting a pink cat sheet on my 3-year-old boy's bed, but that's because all of the other twin sheets were dirty. Like I told you, I am so behind on laundry right now, so I don't know. This is what was clean, and they're actually really comfortable. And he told me, he said, "Oh, I like that bed." But his room, I don't know. I haven't really done anything with it yet because he's still kind of in that destructive phase. We used to have a really cute shelf in here, but he was climbing it, so we had to take it out. So I haven't really decorated, nor have I bought him actual bedding yet because he still has accidents, and I don't know. I just haven't taken the time to do it. So really his bed is always just kind of like a hodgepodge of whatever sheets and blankets are clean.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my hands to the sky, what a feeling. 'Cause I feel like
now we are heading into my master area, and honestly, the plan for this video and the plan for my day was to go ahead and tackle this bathroom and my master bedroom. But honestly, by the time I walked into my master bedroom and after a full day of cleaning and being a mom, after I saw the mess of it, I just had zero desire to go ahead and tackle that bedroom. So I instead decided just to go ahead and tackle the mess of this master bathroom and then call it done. On this particular day, I had not had lunch or any caffeine at this point, so I was kind of dragging. And I had plans to head out to my friend Emily's house to help her decorate for Christmas, and so I was just ready to be done with cleaning. I will link the Christmas decorating videos in the description box below because her Airbnb homes that I helped her decorate are beautiful. But I wanted to share another quick little tip with you guys, and honestly, I'm sure other people have shared this before, but this may look a little bit crazy. But ever since I've moved into this home, I have had a really difficult time getting the bottom of this shower insert clean. And so what I did today was just go ahead and squirt Dawn dish soap all over it and then mix it with white vinegar. And then I used this handy little Clorox wand. This thing is amazing. This is like a battery operated wand that kind of like scrubs for you. But I went ahead and just like put that all over the bottom of my shower floor. I used the wand to kind of just rub it in, and then I left it for a few hours. And honestly, y'all, I don't think I have an after picture of what this looked like, but the floor was spotless when I scrubbed it again after I got home. The Dawn dish soap and the white vinegar combination is gold. To finish off the bathroom, I'm just going to go ahead and give the toilet a quick wipe down. I'm going to sweep the floors, and then I'm going to head downstairs and start one load of bedding in the laundry before I head out to my friend's house to help her decorate. This was a long morning of cleaning, but it feels so good to have my house back in order after being gone for so long. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Here on my channel, I bring weekly cleaning motivation, usually at least once a week, sometimes twice, and I would love to have you follow along on this YouTube journey. So please be sure to subscribe if you liked what you saw and if you want to not miss out on future cleaning motivation. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.